Okay guys, so if you don't have internet on your computer, so you don't see even in settings, so if you go network settings, you can see Wi-Fi missing and things like this. So in this video I will show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 10. So first you need to check is the problem with Windows 10 or there is any other problem with your computer hardware like network card. So go to start menu, type common properties, and type ping number and check what reply you are receiving. So so now we can fix this. So type here control panel, go to control panel, internet options, click on advanced, restore advanced settings, and click on reset. Okay, close. Type this combination of keys, Windows R, type services mcs.mcs, okay, and you'll get list of Windows services on your computer. From there you need to look for VLAN, yeah, like this one, as you can see. Make sure this service is running. You can click on right click properties and click on start, select as automatic, and after that hit apply and click on OK and have restart your Windows 10. And if the service is already running, please go to start and open settings, go to network settings, yeah, and then go to change adapter option. Click on it and you will get your Wi-Fi adapter listed here, yes. If it's disabled, then you need to right click and try to enable it. But if it's already enabled, then you can try to disable Wi-Fi adapter and enable it again. Just right click on it and click disable, then click on enable, and doing this may help you. Not working? If it's not working, type this combination of keys and type diff mgd mcs, okay, yeah. Then click hit OK on the screen, look for network adapters and expand it. You will get Wi-Fi network adapter listed. You just check for network adapter. So select it, right click on it, and click on update. Search for automatic driver installation. Yeah, search on computer. Here is a list of available drivers. On date what were so okay, let's click on install it, close. Okay, then you can restart your computer. Check if it's enabled here. Right click properties, yes, device is working, then it's great. And check this option. Allow this computer to run off this device to save power. After that hit OK. And then check if you are getting network options or not. Then come back to this page again. Right click on your network driver and click on uninstall it. And after install you need to restart Windows 10 again. Once you restart the PC, it should automatically install the driver again, and check if you are able to connect to the internet or if it's still not working. If it's still not working, go to start menu, go back here, network reset, reset now, confirm. Okay, After that, you can restart your computer again. If it's still not working, go to Common Properties, run it as administrator, and you can try to fix network socket error. So type net sh winsock reset. So type net as int ip reset log txt. Hit enter. So here is log from your Windows 10, and after that you have to restart your Windows again. If you are able to see network or not, then you have to get another working computer where you can access the internet. Go to Google and just search your laptop model number in the network driver, or if you have custom built PCs, then you can find the network card driver. Just look for motherboard model number or the network card model and download the driver in case it's a laptop, so I have to download the network. So use this to search, select your OS bits. Here is network driver. Download it. And copy paste the driver to your computer and install it after installation. Yeah. You may be able to see the Wi-Fi network in your most cases. This method should help you. But in case if it's still not working, type msconfig, hit OK, click on services, enable all, apply, OK, and restart your computer. Check if you're able to connect to network or not.